Hey guys, we just got our uniform put together here. Got all of our weapons and stuff that we need. Our vehicle is out back now, so we'll be going to grab that. It's just about to become Monday, so we shouldn't have to worry about too much stuff here.
We have shots fired on Great Ocean Highway.
Alright, so responding to a shots fired at an officer, I believe. Either way, it's a shots fired call, so I'm going to be heading out there now. See what's going on over there. Heavy shots fired. Trying to get an air unit responding already. Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of LSPDFR. Today we're going to be going in the Blaine County area, as a unit actually passes us there. First things first, we're going to get to our station to pick up our vehicle and all that stuff. So we will be taking our personal vehicle here. This is our little bit of a shack home, I guess you could say. It's got the latest security code there, just to be safe, because you never know what can happen out there. So, we're going to be getting on our way, heading to Paleto Bay to pick up our vehicle today. Alrighty guys, we just got our uniform put together here. Got all of our weapons and stuff that we need. Our vehicle is out back now, so we'll be going to grab that. It's just about to become Monday, so we shouldn't have to worry about too much stuff here. I see some of the other officers are not doing the best with picking up their stuff here. There's the Explorer that we'll be taking out tonight. Looks really nice. There's the other unit that is out, the Charger. But tonight we'll be running the Explorer here. Excited to see what we can get into. Got my radar. Lights work and everything. So looking good to go. 115 dispatch, I'll be 1041, 108. We will stop off and get some gas at this gas station here and make our way down into the forestry area.
We have shots fired on Great Ocean Highway.
Alright, so responding to a shots fired at an officer, I believe. Either way, it's a shots fired call, so we're going to be heading en route there now. See what's going on over there. Alright, it's going to be in the logging area here. Toledo Forest. Ooh, heavy shots fired. We're gonna get an air unit responding already.
Jeez.
115 shots fired. Fifteen more shots fired. Give me medical.
Ambulance. Assistance required in the Chilean Mountain State Wilderness.
So medics are trying to take care of the guy at this time. I'm pretty sure he's a goner though. We did shoot him in the neck area, so. 15 seems gonna be code 4.
Units reporting. Attention all units. We've got a possible 148 on Great
Screw it,
Ocean
we're headed to
Highway.
that.
Copy, dispatch. Dispatch, we have a visual.
We'll have our air unit respond to that pursuit as we are en route as well. Yeah, we're gonna call it code 4 there. Didn't end up finding the suspect, so that's a bit of a bummer, but it is what it is.
We've got a civilian requiring assistance.
So currently, we are now heading to a traffic stop assist. It's gonna be Great Ocean Highway. So we'll see what they need for us on scene. Hopefully not much. It's just gonna be some assistance, maybe to keep an eye on the suspect or something. Keep an eye on them from running or anything, so we'll find out here. So we're about a mile and a half out now. Still trying to get to the scene here as quickly as we can, while still going code 2, of course. Traffic's getting a little bit heavy. A lot of traffic. Well, it's starting to dim down a little bit, traffic is, but back there it was a little bit heavy. Passing Fort Zancudo entrance now. Alright, I see the trooper now up there on a traffic stop. So we're gonna perform the traffic stop. Don't know why they are stopped or anything, but we'll see.
Target vehicle license plate 0 Boy Adam Queen.
Hey, sir, do you know why we have you stopped today?
10-4.
Alright, so you didn't have to come out of the vehicle, but that is very nice of you. If I can get your identification, please.
That'll do.
Alrighty, thank you very much. Is it okay if I, hold on here. Have you been, drinking at all today, sir? Nope, not at all. What about any, drugs? Drugs will make you sick. That is very true, sir. Where are you, heading to today, sir? Just going to the grocery store. And where did you come from? From the grocery store? Sir, are you sure that makes sense? You're heading to the grocery store, yet you came from the grocery store. Are you, sir? That's the right thing? What are you doing today? None of business. Alright. Do you live around here, sir? Don't mind me. I'm just asking questions, trying to figure out what's going on here, sir. Is it alright if I do a breathalyzer test on you today, sir? Just to make sure that you're not drinking or driving or anything? Just blow into this tube.
That'll do.
Thank you. Ooh. At this time, sir, I'm not going to be placing you under arrest, but I am going to be calling you a Uber. You are over the alcohol limit of for driving, so you cannot operate the vehicle while you're drunk, sir. So I'm going to be calling you an Uber today, letting you off easy. All right. So we'll be calling the insurance company for your vehicle so they can take care of it and stuff. So you don't have any priors, warrants, or anything like that, so the Uber should be here in just a second, and you can be on your day, sir. Have a better day, sir.
Assistance required in Lago Zancudo.
Have a good day, trooper.
Attention.
115, we're going to be back to inmate traffic stop is code 4. So we're going to get some gas real quick before we head back out on patrol here. Today we're nice and topped up. But so far, it's a decent patrol. Nothing major has happened. No major crimes or anything, so that's good. So we're up here in the hills area now, looking around. There's obviously a few more officers up here looking around as well. Alright, we're currently responding to a robbery at the 24/7 up here. We're going to be on scene here momentarily. See what's going on here. I'll be 23 on scene. I see one holding one at gunpoint.
Clown.
Stop right there, sir. You're not going anywhere. On the ground. You're going to be under arrest at this time, sir, for a robbery in progress. I'll take that gun. Thank you very much. 115, we're going to have times 1, 1015. Only an additional.
Backup required in Harmony.
Copy that, dispatch. Animals on the loose.
Puta madre!
Watch the suspect for me, will you? Thank you.
We have shots fired on Great Ocean Highway.
Dispatch 1, Bryce Wilson for me, will you? License valid, no active warrant, that's fine. Hey, deputy, can you, search him for me? I'm gonna go talk to the patron inside. Hey, sir, how you doing today? What are you doing on your business? That's pretty rude considering you did just get robbed and I am trying to help you. Don't mind if I have your identification, please, real quick, so I can get that searched.
That'll do.
Dispatch, run a Mike De La Cruz, please. Dispatch, roll me an additional.
Assistance needed in Harmony.
Alright, sir, at this time you're going to be detained for a outstanding warrant.
Ocean 1 en route.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. If you have an attorney, you may appoint that attorney. If you do not have an attorney, one will be appointed for you. You understand these rights that I have read for you today, sir? I assume so.
You leave him to me.
Some unmarked pills and crystals, alright. Keep an eye on them, deputy, thank you. Alright, make sure nobody else is in this store real quick before we take care of those two fellas. Everything appears to be in order in the back here, so we'll go take care of these guys out here. Get them transported to Mission Row. We'll have County transport them. Alright, sir, at this time you're going to be getting transported by this nice deputy here in the glasses. He will be transporting you to
Assistance required in
your new home
Harmony.
for the time being.
You ain't worth the fucking steam off my piss.
Alright, sir, at this time you're going to be placed under arrest as well. This deputy here will be taking care of you for the remainder of your time.
Required in Harmony.
You disgust me.
115 24/7 is going to be closed here. Scene's going to be code 4. I'll be back tonight. Took care of that rather quickly than I would hope it to be taken care of, but we found two people there. One person was robbing the store, took care of him, and then the person that was working there happened to have a outstanding warrant, so had to take care of him as well. So that's been done, and the store should be open again shortly. We're going to be getting some gas here real quick again, just to keep us topped off in case something happens. You never know. It's better to be topped off than not topped off, so. Gonna take a peek into the Yellow Jack here, just to make sure that nobody's doing anything too terribly bad. Make sure that door is locked. Everything appears to be pretty stable here at the Yellow Jack, so we're gonna get back on the road here once we get back to our car. But everything at the Yellow Jack appears to be good, so nothing bad to report here at the Yellow Jack. We got reports of Grand Theft Auto happening here in Sandy Shores, so we're gonna try to catch up to the vehicle here. Yeah, there's the truck.
Real, wheels up and en route. Victor 13, we're at the little coffee shop around the corner. This is air support. Suspect is heading north.
One 15 is gonna be 1080 at this time. We're gonna be Zancudo Ave. Armadillo Ave
We
is.
got eyes, we're in pursuit.
We're gonna be still going Zancudo Ave, taking a left onto Panorama Drive at this time. Passing Alhambra, passing Joshua, still continuing Panorama. It's gonna be 1050 into a train track pole at this time. Vehicle's final stop is gonna be Panorama Drive.
Well, this is LSPD! Don't move!
Hey,
Fun's
you wanna
over,
shit or
buddy!
bag the rest of your life?
Nowhere to go.
Spacesuit, really?
When I give the signal, shoot this asshole. This should
The
be
greatest
fun.
country on earth doesn't take kindly to criminal
Give it up.
scum.
Now! Now!
115, we're gonna have one in custody at this time.
Backup needed in Grande Sonora Desert.
Victor 13, we're at the little coffee shop around the corner.
Searched the person in his spacesuit. He's got Molotovs on him, so that's not good news at all. We're gonna be searching the truck here as well.
Target vehicle license plate.
It's got plenty of good stuff.
06
So.
Tom Edward Boy 325.
15, route me tail.
A possible stolen vehicle, flatbed, approach with required in Grande Sonora Desert.
Hey!
Assistance required in Grande Sonora
Yo, ass
Desert.
piece of shit.
Seen as code 4. I'll be back tonight. Times 1 to 15, transported by deputies. Pursuit didn't really last that long, but still had to take care of him. Got him apprehended, so that's all good things done. So, as the lead police officer of all the departments here in LSPDFR for this area, I've been looking at upgrading our stations. So our Sandy Shore station, our Paleto Bay station, and then a couple of other stations I've been looking at upgrading. Because right now there's a small winky-dinky stations. We'll drive by the Sandy Shore station here in a few minutes when we make our round to visit it. to show it off a little bit, see what it is right now compared to what we might have here in the future. They said it might be under construction within the next few hours anyway. So we might not be able to get to use that station for the rest of the shift. So we'll quickly head over there to check it out one last time before it disappears for good.
Can I fucking help you? Stop standing there. Go to hell. I ain't looking for trouble. Go to my barbecue tomorrow. Cool, I'll hit you up later.
Alright, so we're here at the Sandy Shores station here. It's not much of a station. It's got the flag up top for our logo, and then got the logo and name on the door. So this is basically it. There's not much. We got this little seating area for people. Some boards over there. We got another board here with water and all of our filing there, and then a little desk for some people to clock in at. Some more files, coffee, and TV over there. Not much of a station, so we plan on upgrading it here shortly, getting us a bigger station, and
All units,
hopefully we can get something better
on,
here in the future.
Route 6.
But that is basically our station in Sandy for right now. It is really not much, but we'll work on getting a new station. Hopefully we get to look at it towards the end of this shift. If not, then that's a bummer. But it is what it is. We're gonna get some gas here real quick before we continue our shifts. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we got all the gas that we need for the rest of this shift, so, or at least for the current time being. So the Sandy Station and Paleto Bay Station will be under construction, as I said before. So we won't be able to use those stations for the time being. Towards the end of this patrol, we should be able to use them, however. So right now we're checking the grapeseed area to see if there's anything going on. So far I haven't seen anything, so heavy area seems to be doing just fine now after the
All
major
units,
call.
we've got a Grand Theft Auto in progress in...
Well, minus that. 115, show me 97, go through. I have eyes. It's gonna be a semi truck. It's gonna be a big goods semi truck. It's gonna be taken off from the original scene at this time.
We're airborne and moving in. Over.
15, he's taking off.
Bobcat 4, we're en route. Queen 2, we are on our way. Dispatch, perfect sight.
115 dispatch, it's going to be a person wearing a spacesuit at this time in the truck. It's going to be occupied times 1. '15 will be setting up for spikes quickly. '15 spikes failed. 115 suspect is stopped. US Route 13. Crossed at the 15 split at this time.
Suspect is on foot.
Disgusting. Let's see those hands right now. You have the right to absolutely nothing.
115, we're going to have 11015 at this time. Scene's going to be code 4. We're going to be blocking off traffic for the time being.
Hotel for you, buddy.
Assistance needed in Grande Sonora Desert.
Copy, dispatch. We'll assist.
Alright, so we managed to catch the guy after he was running for quite some time. Got some shaky hands there, sir. Anything going on? Also, do you have anything that's gonna stick, poke, or hurt me? No? Alright. Ah, nice. Molotovs. Alright, sir, what are you doing? Relaxing your soul. I can believe that. Where are you heading to? Anywhere you like? Alright. Do you have an active warrant? Should check for yourself. Alright. I'm gonna get a double check on his name here. Hopefully it is correct. License valid. Warrant none. Perfect. Alright. $115, give me a transport unit for a person in spacesuit.
In Grande Sonora Desert.
$115, give me a vehicle check on a 4-6 Echo King 572.
Target vehicle license plate 46 Edward King 572. A possible stolen vehicle.
Yeah, that's plenty of
Approach
stuff
with
on
caution.
as well.
Flatbed. Assistance required.
15 scene's gonna be code 4. I'll be back tonight. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna do a little beat sweep through Harmony and Sandy. See if there's anything going on. And I actually just got a message from some of the construction workers saying that Sandy is back open and Pluto is open again. So we'll have to take a look at the new station. Hopefully it looks nice. Hopefully it works. They did say that there was a possibility of a few issues with some of the construction, but should look nice nonetheless. So we'll take a look at those stations after a little beat sweep here. Alright, so we just finished up our beat sweep of Harmony, and we're finishing up in Sandy here in just a couple of minutes. So we're gonna head to the station now and see how it looks, see what the construction guys managed to do with it. Hopefully it looks nice, and hopefully there's nothing too terribly wrong with it. They did say that there could be a little bit of something. So we will find out here shortly. I'll just pull through this little thing here, and we'll park up right here. $115, show me 10-6. So this is our Sandy Shores Sheriff Station here. I can already see that they added a plant. That's a nice plant too. So should be some jail cells over here. Yeah. Nice. It is here. So we got some new jail cells here to work with. A couple of desks for our officers and me. This side could use some work, but they still got us something nonetheless. Don't know why that chair is knocked over. Looks like some of the officers were over here and having a party with the nice stuff. This is going to be our evidence locker, per se. So, stores all the evidence, some Merriweather evidence there, along with a few other things. Looks like we have our own servers right there running. So, good to know that that's there. Brings us back out to the lobby here, and we should have a locker room over here as well. Yep. Nice. We got a little whiteboard to work with. Some wanted posters over here. Some an empty armory room. It looks like they didn't add any of the weapons in here yet, but that's alright. More lockers off to the side over here, so that's nice. I like the new station. It really looks nice. We'll head out to the Pluto station, see how the new Pluto station looks, and then we'll end our shift there. But yeah, I really like the new station that we got here in Sandy. So I was talking to some of the local construction workers as well, and they were saying that they were gonna work on I believe the metro station as well. They said they ended up having to cancel that one because of some agreements that the government apparently didn't want to pass through. So apparently our metro station is not going to change anytime soon, which is a bummer. But it is what it is. But our Sandy station got changed, and our Pluto station should be changed as well. So we'll take a look at our Pluto station here, and hopefully it looks pretty good. So we'll make our way up to Pluto now. So that is going to be the end of our shift there. We always have a medic here because their station's really close by, and they end up using our helipad for emergency medical uses. But yeah, that's going to end things there for me today on our county session. Next session, I believe we're going to have a little bit of undercover stuff. And yeah, so that's going to wrap things up there. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's patrol. It's taken me a little bit of time to get this episode out. You guys took a little bit longer than normal, but I don't have anything newsy. I'll probably have stuff later that I end up wanting to say, but I don't have anything on top of my head that I have to say. Links are down below for our Discord and for my LSPDFR stuff, mods, everything. You can find it down below of this video. I'll have it in another video that you guys can find as well. But that's going to wrap things up there. Why not? But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!